back with another video. Alright, check it out. Y'all see it I got today. Man, this Peruvian chicken. Come on, y'all. I gotta show y'all this Peruvian chicken, man. Check it out. This is Peruvian chicken, man. This shit good, man. Y'all need to check it out, man. Alright, got some green beans. You see it, I got on there some rice. Alright, that's what I'm doing today. Looking delicious, like always. Alright, y'all, man. I'm just gonna show y'all this for today. That's what I'm eating today, man. Looking delicious. Y'all see it? Yeah, close view of it. See it? Yes. Okay, y'all see it. Alright, that's what I'm doing today. Alright, y'all. Don't forget to like this video, man. I appreciate y'all watching it, man. I'm gonna make this short and sweet, and I'm gonna get ready. Get up out of here, man. That's what I'm gonna get ready to do. Alright, check it out. Alright, that's what I'm doing today. I'm out, man. Peace.